Welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. Today I will show you how to make a very airy scarf. I made this one right here with my fingers out of a scrap yarn. It's not perfect, but it does look very nice, and a very nice calm way to crochet when you don't have a hook, or even if you do, this will be a perfect way also. Very long. Then when I bought my big humongous hook, that's right here, it's an Afghan hook, 15.75 millimeters, a Q special hook. I made another one with this hook. It did tire because it was a little heavy, so I made this one with it. A little more even than just using your fingers. This one here is the length of about 2.5 yards because I like to wrap it around so many times and make it a bunch, and it's also airy. And with this, I made it with this humongous hook right here. But today I'm going to use a smaller hook, similar size, one of these. I will use a smaller one, which this one is 15 millimeters. It comes in a set. This one is 18 millimeters, and I have another one somewhere. This one is, you barely can see it, it's 20 millimeters. So I'll show you, and let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna make mine a smaller sample, and since I already have my big long ones, I'm gonna make it with this small blue one. I made 20 chains. Okay. It kind of twists. You can't see very well which one's the front and which is the back. Here we go. There we go. That's the front. That's another thing with this big one, is that sometimes you can't even see the stitch very well, but if you turn it, the little bump is right here. That's the back, and that's the front. Okay. We will be doing double crochets. We'll skip 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th we'll do a double crochet. We'll do these loosely because the hook, as you can see, has a big opening, and if you do it tight, you will not get this hook through. Here we go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Through 2 and through 2. Yarn over. It does tend to turn, so you can see I don't do it through the first loop because it gets all wobbly and loose. I do it on the second one right there. Go through there, the next chain, yarn over, pull through. If you want to make sure the hook is going to go through, you can scoot it really quick back and then loop it back. Through 2, yarn over, and whoops, yarn over. I do this too. And pull through 2. This is how it's going. Okay, next, see right there, yarn over, go to the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. You can do this with a solid color. This is variegated, multicolored. You can do with your scrap yarn also. Keep doing that. Yarn over, do a double crochet into the next chain, we hook through, yarn over, pull the yarn through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Do that until the end. I am at the end of the row. This is how it's coming out. Some of my tension was looser than other, if you can tell about right there, this one right there. But since it's like airy, you can't barely tell when you have it wrapped around. See this one too. But that is the purpose of this scarf. Or you can make it into a shawl, or you can make a shirt out of it if you want a very, very airy shirt. But if you want to do a shirt, I would recommend cotton, because it's lighter and it's not that hot. But if it's in the winter, you can do one of these. This is acrylic, 100% acrylic. Okay, we're at the end, and to turn, I'd like to use just 2 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, and turn. Then automatically, there's no chain in between. This is just to replace the double crochet. So you automatically do another double crochet on the next stitch, which is right here. Okay, go through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over and go through 2. You have to pull a little sometimes. Okay, yarn over, go through the next. I like to just go like this to open it. Go through, grab the yarn, pull through again, pull it up a little. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. That is how it's looking. Squares. Really nice. And with the 2 chains, it is not that gappy, which is supposed to be gappy, but at the ends it will look gappier and look out of place. I've tried it before. Hey, another double crochet, yarn over, go through the hole, through the stitch, yarn over and pull through, pull it a little, because like I said, this is a big hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull up and pull through 2. Okay, that's how it's look. Do it all the way to the end. Okay, I am at the end, and I just wanted to show you that this chain kind of hides sometimes, and you might miss it. If you miss it, it's going to be a little bump right here. Well, not that little, but you get what I'm trying to say, I hope. Yarn over, go through the chain 2, the first chain up here, or the chain that's right here. Yarn over, pull through, loosen up a little, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, chain 2, 1, 2, okay, turn, yarn over. Now, like I said before, sometimes people want to put the double crochet on the first one. It will leave a bump, like about that little bit. But I like to go to the next one right here. You can see the V, the stitch. Every stitch has a V on the top. You go to the next one, double crochet, do 2. Oh, messed up. Let's try it one more time. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull it a little loose, pull it, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Keep doing it that way all the way. And don't forget the last chain at the end right here of the last stitch. This one's the stitch. Sometimes you'll see the chain, and do the same thing over and over until you get the length and the width that you like. And just a quick tutorial. Thank you for watching.